All right, welcome. We're going to take a little bit of a break from the woodworking and unbox some Star Wars Lego miniature figurines. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you what they are. Just taking a little bit of a break here. Looks like I've got a stormtrooper here. Nice little stormtrooper. Okay, got another stormtrooper. Another stormtrooper. I guess this is a stormtrooper box that I ordered a while ago. Just haven't had time to open it up and look at what I got. So that looks pretty cool. Bunch of stormtroopers for a battle pack. Let me just open up one of them. Don't remember when I got these. They were just laying around the house. Must have been some sort of a Christmas, Black Friday kind of excitement scenario there. So they come with their little arms ready to go. They're really nice. I love these. I really don't have many of these. I collect the Sith, the bad guys, a little bit more. I guess these are bad guys too, from a certain point of view. But so you got some little stormtroopers on here. The head fit perfectly. You got a little blaster there, and a little stand. So there's a little stormtrooper guy. Got many more of his friends here to put together. But I want to show you another pack that I found. I was actually kind of thinking my 5-year-old got a hold of my account or something. But I do remember vaguely buying some of these in the past. So let's see what else we got here. What other treasures we have here. This is the best part when you find out, hey, I got all this stuff I didn't even remember buying. Wow, so we got a really cool looking First Order or Sith. Looks like a Sith trooper. First Order Sith trooper there. Got some armor. I mean, this guy is heavy duty. Look at that. Heavy duty. Kind of reminds me of a G.I. Joe name, Heavy Duty. Okay. So you gotta, it's tricky to put this one together. You gotta resist wanting to put his armor on and get his arms on, not his armor. So we'll just get those on there. Gotta snap together. Okay, I should note that I don't know if these are Lego brand. I bought these so long ago, or somehow my wife got them for me. But I'm not used to having to put together or assemble Legos. So I do know they're Star Wars because I've loved Star Wars for forever. So, okay. Came with an extra hand. That's interesting. Okay. And we'll get this guy's head on there. Get his helmet on. Alright. He looks so cool. Look at his massive rifle he has. I don't know how you're supposed to put that on him. Alright. It just looks weird. So maybe it's just like, remember the movie, the Sand Troopers from New Hope, when they're walking around with these big guns? Because I don't really know how you're supposed to, unless I'm supposed to take a knife to that. How you're really supposed to hold this, but kind of like in the movie when he was holding this big gun. So, cool. That's cool. Alright, let's see if I got any other. Looks like we got a lot of soldiers here. Oh, maybe not, maybe not. I might have a Darth Vader. A couple Darth Vaders. What the? Why would I have bought more than one Darth Vader? Looks like a clone trooper there. A couple clone troopers. Yeah. I don't remember buying this, so sorry about that. Ooh, that's cool. Got another. Must be a special clone trooper pack here. But got some interesting clone troopers in here. That's kind of fun. Ooh, look at that. That one's cool. I like that one. Let's open that one up next. Because those are duplicate Darth Vaders there. What's that all about? Like G.I. Joe guns. What's that all about? Or blasters, if you want to call them by their own name. That's what's cool. Look at the stripes on his helmet there. So, just again, we'll get his arms on there. And just put them together there. There we go. Alright. Now that we have his arms on, we can put his armor on. There we go. And so this might not be a first order helmet. I think it's like a special assault trooper kind of thing going on there. So, all right. So we got a couple of variants here. This is so much fun. Love this. A couple of variants. Oh, Darth Vader has armor on top of that. Wow. And an interesting cape. Let's put them together here. Okay. So I suspect we get the arms on first again before we get his armor on there. She looks good with just the armor there too, but yeah. He has a lot of pieces here. Not sure what they all do. So this is what he looks like without his armor on, which is his armor in the movie. So it's kind of redundant that he gets this. There we go. Oh, I see. Well, that's clever. That's interesting. So he has a little, that bottom of his helmet is a little piece there. It's getting crazy. There's lots of pieces. Okay. That is so cool. Darth Vader, Lord Vader, rise. He has a little lightsaber. Alright, this is really cool. Maybe I should just thank my wife and assume she got these for me. What do you think? Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet.